This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the workbook and immediately recording the first repeatable action. Enable the Developer tab and save as XLSM. Then hit Record macro, name it clearly, and perform the simple task you want automated. Once done, stop recording and open the Visual Basic editor to inspect the code. Make sure to comment 1 or 2 lines so you know what each section does. This gives you a working baseline and avoids wasting time on setup later. You now refine the recorded macro by turning it into reusable code. Replace hard-coded ranges with variables and named ranges so the macro adapts to different sheets. Then add loops like for each or for I equals 1 to n to process rows dynamically, and use if statements to skip blanks. Once structured, modularize repeated steps into subs and functions. Make sure to include on-error goto with clear messages so you can diagnose failures quickly without losing progress. Finish by testing on a copy and validating results against your source data. Optimize performance by disabling application. Screen updating and setting calculation to manual during heavy operations, then restore them. Once stable, add a user button or assign the macro to a ribbon control for easy access. If something goes wrong, step through the code with F8, watch the locals window, and use MSG box or debug. Print to inspect variables. This single technique usually reveals logic or range errors fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.